What is happening, my Paris? What is happening, y'all? Blessed Wednesday, Jamaican Wednesday night to y'all, wherever you're at. I hope you're having a good evening on your way from work. Just reach inside, doing some dinner, all of that. Yeah. I hope everything is fine, or you may be getting ready to go to the night shift. I hope all is well. Now, what I'm going to do for you now is a quick little back then tutorial. Back then, when we did have buckle lamp, yeah, Jamaican buckle lamp, or better yet, battle torch. I'm going to demonstrate to you how you make a battle torch. Now, that part of the video, we are going to do it on the outside. So it might be a little blurry, but I know it's okay. You'll be all okay. So a part of it is going to be blurry while we're doing it on the outside, because we want to do it, show you how it lights the darkness. Follow me now, man? So yes, family, we are on the outside now because the light, and we're on the outside, the plane. We have plane in the background, sorry for that. So what you need to do at this point is just to tear some green randomly. And as I told you, you're going to hear a lot of outside noise. I'm sorry for that, but we're doing it on the outside. Because we want to do it in the dark to show you how it goes. As this thing wasn't made in the house, it's not done inside the house, y'all, okay? This is for the outside. When we have outside kitchen, and we have cook at night or late catchery, and all of that. This is what we would use. So you tear the paper like this, and we are going to proceed now to put it together. Now that you have all the paper together, fam, you want to ring it. You want to ring it tight. Make it all bonded. Like a bonded, you want to get it all bonded because it's not supposed to go down into the bottle free. It must force down into the bottle. So here we go. And you turn and push right down. Yeah, this is the sound it's gonna make. So we're going to come back when we finish, put it down in there. That we get it down in there, family. This is how it is. It's not neat and fine. You proceed to twine up here tight, as tight as you can get it. And sometimes you might need to trim it. Because it's much loose ends, So now that you have it at this point, we're just going to hold it down. We call this oil in the lamp. So we're going to turn it down, and we're going to shake it a little. Till when you look, you see right here, you see with the oil catch it. So you have to shake it. Remember, we're on the outside. Shake it, so you're going to hear all kind of sounds because vehicle passing and all of that. Okay, so you're shaking it until the oil reaches. You have to shake it. We'll shake it until it gets all saturated and come back to you. Okay, now that we have the oil coming almost, it's not properly oil still, but we're going to try to light it now. So you'd light it from down here, so where the oil get it. Yeah, and you shake as you go along. To shake it, let the oil continuously, we just continuously saturate this thing as we twine it so we have it all thing there. So what I'm gonna do now that it's catch, I'm gonna get my light out and I will be all in the darkness except with this. My light is out now, so we just have the buckle torch now, buckle torch in a city. So this is how we would have it. And then when you're walking over a period of distance of miles, late hours and night, you hold it up right from up above and it would light it from up above. Sometimes we're cooking at night in our outside kitchen. This is what we would use. Back then, Jamaican bottle torch. Now family, I'm back on the outside, inside of my kitchen, and in here quite well. Now, that was what we used back then. That's a back then piece of equipment that we used for lighting. And let me tell you something, that would last us for weeks, if not a month or more, as long as there is enough kerosene oil in that bottle. That would stay. When we finish, we make sure we out it. You gotta out it properly, and we put it down in our little corner, not in the house, inside those pit latrine. Not like back then we had pit latrine. You people would call it compost now or something like that, but it was pit latrine, so we would put it in there. Yeah, man, and we put it down somewhere in our kitchen island to the night if we want it. We want to go outside to the latrine. That was what we would use in the darkness. We're waking up early to go anywhere early. That was our means of lighting. We had flashlight too. Most people had flashlight, but let me tell you something. Back then, when you had your flashlight was for like if you're going somewhere, you dress up in the night to go somewhere, you would use a flashlight. Yeah. Back then, using a flashlight wasn't like for this like a regular thing. You have to dress up like you go one night outing, so your flashlight would come in like your sporting light. So So this was the bottle torch. This was what we used. And it would last as long as ever, as long as there is enough oil in that bottle to continuously light that wick. Now if you have liked this little bottle torch tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, your family, and leave your comments below. And if any of you from any other Caribbean island, any other country, and I said to you, I don't think the city people know it, they would have no need to know it because they had the light. We in the country part, we never have no farmer light, nothing, neither in our house. We had to use the home sweet home lamp on the inside and this on the outside. Okay, so if any of y'all, wherever you're at, have any idea, know it, have ever seen it before, grew up on something like that, please to comment. Okay, remember, as I said before, to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for joining us right over here, my new subscribers on the Debbie Debs train. Thank you so much. Thank you to my old subscribers who started the journey on this train with us. I'm sorry. So I did this tutorial to let you get familiar, because I have a back then story to bring for you. And in that back then story, that was the lighting. So I think it would be all necessary for me to do this tutorial to let you understand, or to let you know what I'm talking about when I reach that part of it. So we are gonna shut off this train for now. So we'll see you when we see you again. And remember, never let the evil around you take control of you. Steer on top of things.